If you need to enter DFU mode on your iPhone 17 Pro Max, iPhone 17 Pro, or even iPhone 17, you are in the right place. Most setters makes this way more complicated than it needs to be. I will show you the easiest method by simulation step by step in under 2 minutes, and I will also show you exactly how to confirm you are in DFU mode, because that's the part most people get wrong. First of all, ensure that your iPhone 17 is connected to a PC or Mac with the latest version of iTunes. As you know, we have three main buttons on our iPhone 17, which are volume up, volume down, power or side button. Now watch the button sequence. Step 1. Press and quickly release volume up. Press and quickly release volume down. Now press and hold the power button. Guys, keep holding the power button until the screen goes completely black. Don't let go. Step 2. The exact second it goes black, press and hold the volume down button while still holding the power button. Hold both for exactly 5 seconds. 4, 3, 2, 1. Step 3. Now release the power button only, but keep holding volume down for another 10 seconds. Hold the volume down button until you hear this sound and see this yellow message box on your iTunes. Alright, now you can release your volume down and let's go now. If you did it perfectly, my friends, your phone screen should be pitch black. No Apple logo, no computer, and no cable icon. Okay, now I'm going to do a real life test on my own device to show you what it's like. First of all, type your passcode and enter to your iPhone 17 Pro Max. Just like me, type your passcode. After that, go and open up your iTunes on your Mac or PC. Just like this. Go to Help tab, and after that, click on the check for update. And make sure your iTunes is the latest version, my friends. And after that, click on the OK. And now it's time to plug your iPhone to your PC or Mac via USB-C cable. Just plug your cable. At this step, an important point is that iTunes detects and recognizes your iPhone, guys. As you can see now, it has recognized my iPhone 17 Pro Max. Now there is a trick. I used to put my phone on DFU mode. Use actually Microsoft clock and timer to do the DFU mode. Now everything is ready to enter to DFU mode. As you can see, guys, on your iPhone 17 Pro Max, you have volume up, volume down here, and here power or side button. To make it easier to do the DFU mode, hold your iPhone with two hands, just like this, as you can see, guys. Just like this. Now it's time for button sequence. Press and quickly release volume up. Press and quickly release volume down. Now press and hold the power button. Keep holding the power button, guys, until the screen goes completely black. The exact second it goes black, press and hold the volume down button for 5 seconds. Now release the power button only, but keep holding volume down for another 10 seconds. When you hear these sounds, it means that now you are on the DFU mode. Just go back to your PC and check your iTunes. Well, when you see this attractive yellow error message with text DFU mode, it means that you have successfully entered to the DFU mode. Okay guys, here is a tip. Check carefully that the text here says iPhone on DFU mode and that you haven't actually entered to recovery mode by mistake. When you see this text, I'm in DFU mode, and check iTunes, you are sure that you are in DFU mode exactly. And here you can just click on the restore iPhone and restore or update your firmware, which is so easy. Or actually try to holding shift and click here to select your IPSW file, So from here you can click restore and completely reinstall your iOS. If this saved your bricked iPhone 17 Pro Max, hit the subscribe button right now because I cover hardware fixes like this. Hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget that to like, subscribe and send to your friends with the next one. See you soon.